You can spend $30 to $60 on an engine air filter and still end up with sluggish throttle, worse MPG, and a filter that doesn't even seal right. So today I'm ranking 5 popular budget air filters, tested like a normal driver would, so you can buy once and breathe easy. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1, and by the end you'll know which one I'd actually run in my own daily driver, which one I'd only buy on a tight budget, and what little details to look for, like gasket seal, pleat consistency, and how the frame holds up after a few heat cycles. 5. BDFHYK CA119043. When I first unboxed the BDFHYK, I liked the fact that it's clearly aimed at the Hyundai Kia applications that cross to part numbers like CA119043 and OEM number 28113A9100. The overall shape and sizing looked right at a glance, and it slid into the airbox without me needing to force it, which is always my first pass-fail check. On the road, the engine felt normal, no weird surging, no obvious loss of power, and throttle response stayed consistent in everyday driving. A clean air filter helps the engine breathe properly for efficient combustion, so I wasn't expecting some miracle horsepower bump, just smooth operation. In that sense, it did the basic job. Where I started getting picky was the build feel and the confidence factor. With cheaper filters, what worries me isn't day one, it's how well the media holds its shape and how well the perimeter stays sealed as the filter loads up with dust. The whole point of the engine air filter is to trap contaminants before they reach the intake and wear internal components, so sealing matters as much as filtration. Another small downside, it didn't give me that rigid premium feel that makes you think it'll stay perfectly flat for months. It wasn't flimsy to the point of being unusable, but it felt more like good enough than I'm set for the year. And since many manufacturers suggest yearly replacement intervals, often around 12,000 miles, I'd personally check this one more often if you drive dusty roads. Bottom line, if you're on a budget and you verified fitment, it can work, but it's the kind of filter I'd treat as a shorter interval option, especially if you care about long-term sealing and consistency. 4. KAX GAF 018 CA7440. The KAX, cross-listed as CA7440 style, is a popular fit type for a bunch of trucks and SUVs, and it's in a size category where panel filters get handled a lot during service. Right away, I noticed it's the flexible panel style that's common for this part number family, which makes it easy to install, but also makes the frame quality more important. Installation in my test airbox was straightforward, no trimming, no bowing the filter to get it seated, and the airbox lid closed normally. That's a big deal because even a slightly off fit can pinch the media or compromise the seal. And since a dirty or poorly flowing filter can reduce fuel economy, I always want the airbox to close cleanly so airflow is controlled the way the system expects. In driving, it behaved like a standard replacement. Quiet, smooth, no drama. A clean filter helps maintain performance and response compared to one that's clogged, so if you're replacing an old filter, you'll likely feel a subtle improvement just from restoring airflow. That said, I'm reviewing this as if you're comparing new to new, and new to new it feels pretty average. My critique? A flexible frame can be a double-edged sword. It makes installation easier, but it can also feel less confidence-inspiring if you're the type who wants a rigid, perfectly squared frame that holds its shape no matter what. And because the engine air filter is literally the barrier between dust and your intake, I'm picky about anything that makes me wonder, is this going to stay perfectly seated? So I'd call the KAX a decent budget replacement for the CA7440 style, but not the one I'd choose if you want the most OEM-like, long-term feel. It's functional, but it lands here at number 4 because it doesn't stand out beyond being a basic, workable panel filter. 3. Forccord FOR00188. The Forccord felt like the first filter in this lineup that tried to deliver a more dialed-in overall experience. Even before installing it, the pleats looked more uniform, and the media seemed like it had a slightly sturdier feel when I gently pressed along the surface. In the airbox, it seated evenly with no corner lift, and I didn't have to reposition it after closing the lid. That might sound small, but consistent seating matters because the filter's job is to remove particles and protect the engine from contaminants that cause wear. A filter that sits perfectly reduces the chance of tiny bypass gaps around the perimeter. During my drive loop, some city crawling, a bit of highway, and a few medium throttle pulls, the car felt smooth and responsive. This lines up with the basic principle that a clean, non-restrictive filter supports proper airflow for combustion and helps maintain performance. It's not a mod, but it's one of those maintenance parts that keeps the engine from feeling strangled. What I also liked is that it gave me less of that budget filter anxiety. The frame felt like it would resist warping a bit better as temperatures swing under the hood, and that's where a lot of cheap filters start to disappoint over time. If you want a solid middle pick, something that feels more consistent than the bottom two, but still stays in the value lane, the Forccord is a good place to land. And as always, I'd still follow your vehicle's recommended interval, because once the filter loads with dirt, airflow restriction can creep in and bring fuel economy down. 2. StaunchAuto ST000013. The StaunchAuto impressed me for one main reason. It felt like a set-it-and-forget-it replacement, exactly what most people want from an engine air filter. Since replacing a filter is supposed to be a quick maintenance win, I judge these heavily on whether they install cleanly and inspire confidence once the lid is shut. The fit was tight in the right way, snug perimeter contact without needing force, and the filter sat flat across the housing. A proper seal matters because the air filter isn't just about airflow, it's about preventing damaging particles from entering the engine. This one gave me that reassuring, even contact all around. On the road, the car felt especially consistent at low RPM, where minor airflow weirdness can show up as hesitation. Again, no filter here is adding power out of nowhere, but clean airflow supports correct combustion, and that supports smooth drivability. If you've been running a dirty filter, swapping to something like this can feel like your engine woke up, simply because it's not fighting for air. Another plus, it felt like a filter you could realistically run through a normal replacement cycle without babysitting it. Many sources suggest inspection around yearly intervals, and lots of people land somewhere between 12,000 and 15,000 miles, depending on conditions. This is the type of filter I'd feel comfortable checking at routine service and replacing on schedule. If the number one pick is about best overall, this number two is about best no-nonsense choice, great fit, confident build, and the kind of install that makes you feel like you did the right maintenance job. 1. RVgolf RV00095. My number one spot goes to the RVgolf because it combined the three things that matter most in a daily driver filter: clean fitment, sturdy construction, and consistent sealing. The moment I set it into the airbox, it sat perfectly without shifting, and the lid closed with that even, factory-like pressure. The big reason I rank it highest is that it felt like it was built to maintain its shape. In real life, filters see heat, vibration, and pressure pulses from the intake, and over time, that can reveal weaknesses in cheaper frames. Since the engine air filter's core role is to keep dust and debris out of the intake path and protect internal parts, I want the most stable barrier I can get. Driving with it was exactly what you want. Nothing noticeable in a bad way. Just a smooth, consistent feel across the RPM range. That's actually the best compliment for an engine air filter, because when it's doing its job, airflow stays unobstructed and combustion stays happy. And if you're chasing better mileage, remember that restricted airflow from a dirty filter is linked with reduced fuel economy, so keeping this part fresh is simple preventative maintenance. I also like that this pick encourages the right habit. Replace on time. Don't overthink it. A lot of reputable guidance points you back to the owner's manual and typical intervals around once a year, adjusted for dusty environments. With a filter like this, you can follow that schedule and trust the seal. So if you're choosing one filter from this list and you want the best balance of fit, confidence, and everyday performance protection, the RVgolf RV00095 is the one I'd personally buy again.